Moisture analyzers. Presentation. Moisture analyzers. Moisture analysis covers a variety of methods for measuring moisture content in solids, liquids, or gases. For example, moisture, usually measured as a percentage, is a common specification in commercial food production. There are many applications where trace moisture measurements are necessary for manufacturing and process quality assurance. Trace moisture in solids must be known in processes involving plastics, pharmaceuticals, and heat treatment. Those fields that require moisture measurement in gases or liquids include hydrocarbon processing, pure semiconductor gases, bulk pure or mixed gases, dielectric gases such as those in transformers and power plants, and natural gas pipeline transport. Advantages of moisture analyzers: damage-free feeding, automatic solutions, highly accurate positioning, exceptional build quality, fast changeover times, capability to handle a wide range of products, space-saving designs for small production areas. Moisture dew point versus moisture content. Moisture dew point, the temperature at which moisture condenses out of a gas, and moisture content, how many molecules of water are present as a fraction of the total, are inextricably linked. Measure of the amount of moisture in a gas. They are inherently related and one can be calculated from the other fairly accurately. While both terms are sometimes used interchangeably, their underlying parameters, for example, water dew point and water content, are not the same thing. They are completely different, though related measurements. Techniques are used for natural gas. Natural gas poses a unique situation because it can have very high levels of solid and liquid contaminants as well as corrosives in varying concentrations. Water measurements are made in parts per million, pounds of water per million standard cubic feet of gas, mass of water vapor per unit volume, or mass of water vapor per unit mass of dry gas. That is, humidity is the amount of vapor phase water in a gas. If there are liquids present in the gas, they are filtered out before reaching a gas analyzer to protect the analyzer from damage. Measurements of moisture in natural gas. They are typically performed with one of the following techniques: color indicator tubes, chilled mirrors, electrolytic spectroscopy, quartz crystal microbalance is another name for it, aluminium oxide and silicon oxide spectroscopy. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.